Full tower PC cases are generally larger, heavier, and require more desk space than mid-tower PC cases, but they offer far better upgradeability and an expansive list of component support. To help you narrow down your choices, here are top 5 best full tower PC cases of 2024 for you today. You can buy at the link in the description below the video. Number 5. Thermaltake CTE C750 TG. The CTE C750 TG is a specially designed ATX full tower chassis from the new CTE form factor series and is designed to provide high levels of thermal performance to critical components. The design utilizes a 90-degree rotation of the motherboard, providing more efficient airflow pathways. Users can create an amazing RGB lighting show while enjoying the utmost cooling performance at the same time. Standing at almost 600mm in height and 327mm in width, it is undeniably substantial in size. Despite its steel construction, the case weighs 16.7 kilograms, which is lighter than anticipated, thanks in part to the use of plastic components on some external sections to reduce weight. It comes with 3 pre-installed 140mm CT 140A ARGB fans and can support up to 420mm AIO radiators at the front, rear, and motherboard side of the chassis. Its dual-chamber design allows users to showcase key components and provides ample space for superior cooling solutions, with the ability to accommodate up to 14 fans inside the case thanks to the front, bottom, and rear fan brackets and top and MB side fan vent. One of the key highlights of the CTE C750 is its flexible storage solution, offering 7 3.5-inch or 12 2.5-inch drive bays. The CTE C750 TG ARGB offers exceptional clearance, up to 190 MB side fan vent for CPU coolers, 370 MB side fan vent for GPUs with a radiator, and 420 MB side fan vent without. The 220mm PSU clearance supports powerful, long power supplies. On the front, you will find the following ports: 4 USB 3.0, 1 USB 3.2 Type-C, audio jack, mic jack, and power button. The Thermaltake CTE C750 TG ARGB offers exceptional motherboard compatibility, accommodating Mini-ITX, Micro-ATX, ATX, and eATX 12 by 13 inch. Number 4. Fantex NV7. The Fantex NV7 is a high-end showcase-style PC case that is designed to deliver both exceptional aesthetics and optimal airflow performance. The Fantex NV7 features large tempered glass panels on the front and side, giving users a nearly unobstructed view of their components. The case features an RGB strip that runs along the edge of the motherboard tray. According to Fantex, the RGB in this chassis uses a new DRGB controller, which offers dual-channel output. While being a large case at 20.9 by 10 by 23.1 inches and weight 16.90 kilograms, the NV7 maintains a sleek and minimalist look, with clean lines and minimal branding. The rear fan mounts are designed to support either 2 120mm fans or a 240mm radiator. The removable bottom mount can accommodate up to 3 120mm fans, 3 140mm fans, or a single 280mm or 360mm radiator. The top fan positions can hold up to 3 120mm fans or a 360mm radiator. Additionally, the side fan mounts support up to 4 120mm fans or a 360mm radiator. The case can support up to 6 2.5-inch SSDs or 2 3.5-inch HDDs, allowing for ample storage for gaming libraries, multimedia, and workstations. The maximum length for a PSU in the Fantex NV7 full tower chassis is 255mm. The NV7 also has a maximum graphics card length of 450mm and a maximum CPU cooler height of 185mm. The front I/O consists of 2 USB 3.0 Type-A ports and a USB 3.2 Type-C port. A combo microphone and headphone 3.5mm jack is also present. Fantex has done an excellent job in designing the cable routing within the NV7 in a way that allows you to reroute these wires quickly and easily as well. The case is compatible with a wide range of motherboard sizes, including ATX, Micro-ATX, Mini-ITX, SSI CEB, eATX, making it versatile for different different build types. Number 3. Lian Li V3000 Plus. The Lian Li V3000 Plus is the ideal choice for the enthusiast who wants plenty of space to build a custom white gaming PC. The exterior combines brushed aluminum with tempered glass panels, giving the case a sleek, industrial look while still maintaining durability. The case sports a full aluminum chassis with an ARGB strip straight down the center front panel. Its full tower size allows for significant internal space, catering to the needs of hardcore enthusiasts looking for the ultimate in performance and customization. The Lian Li V3000 Plus can be set in one of 3 modes: Standard, a spacious case for housing large components; Rotated, benefits GPU cooling with direct airflow; and Dual System, accommodates 2 full systems at a time. There is an impressive drive cage that alone can hold up to 8 3.5-inch HDDs or 2.5-inch SSDs. Additionally, 4 more 2.5-inch SSDs can be mounted within the main chamber, next to the motherboard. 4 more SSDs can be easily installed behind the motherboard tray thanks to a tool-free design. It can support GPUs up to 589mm in length. The CPU cooler clearance of up to 198mm ensures compatibility with a wide range of high-performance air coolers. Additionally, the case supports dual PSUs, making it ideal for users with demanding setups that require significant power. The Lian Li O11 Dynamic Evo XL comes equipped with a highly versatile front I/O panel, designed to cater to the connectivity needs of modern users. With cable management in mind, the V3000 Plus offers 5 small Velcro straps and 2 large multi-layer ones to create a clear routing path. Supporting EEB, EATX, ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ITX motherboards, the V3000 Plus provides space for a second Mini-ITX motherboard in dual system mode. Number 2. Asus ROG Hyperion GR701. The ROG Hyperion GR701 is the king of PC cases and offers the highest quality in both materials and performance. Constructed from aluminum alloy and showcasing a distinctive diamond X-shaped front design, the ROG Hyperion GR701 full tower case combines durability with effective airflow for internal components. The 2 tempered glass side panels offer a clear view of your build and lighting effects, featuring a tool-free hinged mechanism for convenient access. The Hyperion GR701 delivers top-notch cooling potential with support for 420mm radiators on the top and front of the chassis, while 4 140mm PWM fans are pre-connected to the AuraSync ARGB fan hub. The 5 2.5-inch bays cater to users who favor SSDs for their superior speed and performance, while the 2 2.5 or 3.5-inch combo bays offer the versatility to mix and match between SSDs and HDDs. With a maximum CPU cooler height of 190mm, GPU length of 460mm, and PSU length of 240mm, this case ensures compatibility with a wide range of high-performance hardware. The front panel has 2 USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 ports with 60-watt fast charging support alongside 4 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports and a 3.5mm audio in-out jack. Underneath the motherboard tray area is a 34mm deep cable management chamber and a 46mm cable routing channel that's secured by several ROG-branded Velcro straps to keep things looking tidy for the transparent side panel. Its broad motherboard support ensures compatibility with a wide range of motherboards, from standard ATX to more compact Mini-ITX models. Number 1. Lian Li O11 Dynamic EVO XL. The Lian Li O11 Dynamic EVO XL continues the sleek, modern aesthetic of the O11 series. The steel and aluminum structure supports a wide range of interior components safely, while the 4mm tempered glass panel wraps around the side and the front to give you a clear view of your components. The front panel includes a built-in ARGB strip that can be customized and tuned to your liking. The O11 Dynamic EVO XL combines a spacious internal layout with a compact full tower design. Its dimensions are 20.9 by 20.6 by 12 inches, and it weighs 17 kilograms. The 011 Dynamic Evo XL can house up to 3 120 or 140 mm fans at the top, bottom, and side panels of the case, as well as up to 2 120 mm fans on the rear panel for enhanced cooling capabilities. You can also install radiators up to 420 mm at the top, side, and bottom of the case, as well as custom loops for advanced builders. 2 internal drive trays can house 4, 2.5, or 3.5-inch drives, while 3 dedicated 2.5-inch trays are located behind the motherboard, allowing you to configure your storage drives to your liking. The 167mm CPU cooler height allows for high-end air cooling, while the 460mm GPU clearance accommodates even the largest and most powerful graphics cards. Lastly, the 220mm PSU clearance ensures compatibility with large modular PSUs suitable for power-hungry high-end systems. The adjustable I/O panel can be moved around the bottom of the 011 Dynamic Evo XL, giving you instant access to 4 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 and 1 USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 port, giving you up to 5 gigabits per second data transfer speeds, as well as a single 3.5mm combo audio jack. The Evo XL was designed with cable management in mind, and all cords in the case can be tucked away behind the motherboard and kept tidy using the included straps. The Evo XL is designed with extensive motherboard support in mind, accommodating eATX, ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ITX form factors. TX.